Square Cat, written and illustrated by Elizabeth Schoonmaker. Eula was a square cat. She longed to be a round cat like her friends Patsy and Maud. But Eula was square. Life wasn't easy for a square cat. Mouse holes were impossible. And when Eula tipped over, it was hard to get back up. Eula was invisible in a city. And her favorite circle skirt didn't quite fit right. Red shoes made her look short. And stripes were just plain wrong, up and down or back and forth. Eula was unhappy as a square cat, so unhappy that she lost her purr. Patsy and Maud tried to make Eula feel round. They gave her hoop earrings and a beehive hat. Patsy painted a red rouge circle on one of Eula's cheeks. Maud painted the other cheek. All together, Patsy, Maud, and Eula rounded their lips and sang, "Ooh, ooh, ooh," while they skipped in circles, eating donuts. Eula began to feel round until she tripped and tipped over, which, as you know, is not good for a square cat. That gave Patsy and Maud an idea. They each slipped into a box. They became square cats, just like Eula. They showed Eula that a checkerboard sweater with a pillbox hat looked dazzling on a square cat, and how a painting of a square cat is priceless. As for mouse holes, they are impossible for all cats, round or square. Eula was surprised. She didn't know that. Patsy and Maud showed Eula that square cats are easy to stack, are natural billboards, and are excellent square dancers. Eula jumped with joy, tipped, and got stuck like always. Patsy and Maud jumped and tipped too, and got stuck next to Eula. Stuck flat on their square backs, the three cats gazed into the blue sky. Only a square cat could have this view. Eula purred. Patsy and Maud smiled. The end.